In this video, I'm gonna show you how to stop GTA 5 crashing. So first thing you can try is just go to Epic Games and you wanna open the GTA 5 folder. So if you go here and go to manage, you can try to click verify, and this will verify all the folders and make sure they're all correct and authentic. So this will take a while, and so once you do it, just wait and try and see if the game stopped crashing. So another thing you can try is make sure the launch options is turned off. This is usually when people are trying to modify the game, so make sure this is turned off and try launching the game. So if these two options didn't work, then what you can do is you can go over here and just try uninstalling the game completely and see if that works. Try uninstall and reinstall the game, and don't worry, you'll still have the game saved in the library. You won't have to purchase it again. So that's another way. So try this and see if the game works. So usually sometimes when you have so much mods in your game, you have installed too much mods, the game starts crashing. So by uninstalling the game completely, this could fix the issue. Now another thing you can check is check your graphics card on your computer. So if you go to device manager and go here, you will see under display adapters your graphics card. If you have a standard graphic card, then it might not be compatible with the game. You're gonna have to buy a more compatible and probably a better graphics card to be able to launch the game, because GTA 5 is a high graphics game. So try to buy a much better graphics card and see if that fixes your issue. Now, if you are experiencing an in-game crash, like you are in the game playing and all of a sudden the game crashes, then you can try this. Click on the escape button and go to settings. Under graphics, you want to go here and let's go to graphics, and here you want to make sure you have the settings set properly. For example, DirectX version, make sure it's set to the compatible version, and you want to make sure like what you have here is just the lowest settings for graphics. Don't have for example, high resolution shadows, turn it off. Long shadows, make sure you have like stuff that are not necessary, turn them off, so you can just like lower the CPU usage on from this game. So just have the lowest graphics. So hopefully this will fix your issue. If it did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and that's it.